mysterious depths of our oceans, there lives a creature that defies the rules of life and death. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. Like other jellyfish, it starts as a tiny larva, grows into a polyp, and blossoms into the graceful, pulsing medusa we recognize. When faced with starvation, stress, or even old age, this jellyfish does something no other animal can. It reverses its life cycle. It literally transforms back into a baby. Through a process called transdifferentiation, its cells change form, turning back time, cell by cell. This means, in theory, it can live forever, becoming young again and again